Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, massive big huge welcome to you, and don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. Right, today I want to showcase a couple of kits from the lovely Gayle Agostinelli. It's one of my lovely friend from America, and I will do a couple of videos showcasing her kit. I've got two kits to play with. One is called Vintage Receipt. They are absolutely gorgeous if you like, of course, vintage stuff. So you get on this kit, you get 5 pages, I want to say. So you got this lovely scan receipt. So you got one there, 2, then number 3. I love that. And you've got black and white as well. So number 4, love that, and number 5. And then a kit number 2 that is called Vintage Ephemera Kit 2. And on here you got all sorts. So you get this lovely receipts, you got some cinema tickets, and also stamps and labels. Also, there is like a little check. Love that. This is it's a receipt. That's brilliant, for 1936. Check-in chart, couple of stamps, couple of tickets, and one more. And what I did, guys, I will put, of course, the links to these kits just in my description box. You guys can go and check it out if you want to buy them. And I've printed these 2 kits in half of the size. Okay, and I put 2 images on the same page because I like to scale digital kits, because I can use this to make separate things. So I've got there, you see, they look completely different when they're small, and I like to play with dimension as well. I've got a couple of ideas of stuff that I want to do. I'm just going to quickly show you. I love that. They're very colourful as well, pretty much the same tones, and I like how Gayle put these together. So okay, right, I'm going to cut them all out and I will see you shortly. Let me show you what I made. So one of Gayle's recent videos, she showing she was playing up with some scraps, a little piece of papers from her kit, and she created this like masterboards, like a mosaic. So she had this black cardstock, and then she glued all these little pictures. Her was really pristine, so it was very I think she measured them as well, so it was really neat. On this one, I just wanted to get that sort of vibe, that sort of look, but more, you know, more like casual. You know, nothing is straight, nothing, I'm not measured anything. This is simply the ephemera from the pack, and so you see we've got 2 of those. And then I have used some of the stamps. I treated myself. I went to Chesterfield Market on Thursday, and I bought these. There's lots of stamps and some ephemera, which I will do something with. So I've used some of the stamps that I thought will look quite nice color-wise with the rest of the kit. And also they've got a little surprise for you. So this is for you guys. I'm going to put it on my Facebook group for you to download as this week freebie. If you're not on Facebook, don't worry, just click on the info bar. There is a link that takes you straight to my newsletter, and you will get this sort of freebies every week to your email address. Don't worry, I've got no time to spam your email, your email box. I only send 1 email a week on a Saturday morning. Okay, so don't worry. And also there is a GDPR law, so I can't share, not that I want to, but it's illegal to share other people's email address with other people. So, and if they do that, they can be relied and put in prison. So yeah, little gift for you. Right, so what I'm gonna do now, one thing I want to show you, another thing, what I want to do, I want to create some tags, but make some layers with them. So I want that to be the base of the tag, and then put this on top. Now Don't know what's the best way to do it. Oh, this one. I have used the from Honky Dory for the logo stamps. This is the blossoming background. What did I use? The Heat and Boss gold powder, and I have used my the heat resistant acetate sheet. I bought this from Amazon, pack of 10, like only a few pound. I will put the link in the info box if you guys want to purchase it. Just make sure when you do this project, the acetate is, you know, it's heat resistant, because if not, it's gonna melt on your desk. So yeah, I love these flowers because I thought it's quite a strong contrast having that on top of a tag. But I'm going to show you what in just a minute what I mean. I probably do 3 big tags, hence why I hit and boss 3 of those. Sorry, I didn't even see. Can you guys see it? Yes. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut everything. Now what I'm gonna do with the base of the tags, I'm gonna be totally unemotional. So I'm just gonna cut 3 strips, and we're going to create a tag, and then I'm going to put that on top. So I'm not going to do it so it matches that, absolutely, because that's the good things about it. Okay, so it will be 1 second. Made 3 of these jumbo tags. They are, when I say 3.5 by 4.5, I think. So you've got the little window, and then there is actual tag like that, and I put some navy ribbon in there. So they're literally the same size. So that's that. I really like this. I know it might not be everybody's cup of tea, but I think I personally like them. I'm really pleased. And then I made 10 of these gorgeous mini tags, and let me zoom in so you can see it. They're super cute. I have used this is a Stampin' Up scallop tag. It's literally one of my favorite, hence why I bought it. And so that's what they look like, and they're all the same size with a little scallop edge in there. And I played with some little trims that I had in my stash, so they're all pretty similar. And I'm trying to match the ribbon with the color of the actual print. 3, 4, 5. I love these. And then we've got 6, 7. Love that. 8, 9, and 10. I absolutely love them. I hope you guys like them too. Don't forget, if you wish to purchase Gayle's kit, the link is in the info box. Guys, only request, please give me a big thumbs up. That will support the video doing well and support the channel as well. And also, if you wish to further support my channel, you can always buy me a coffee, which again, all the links are listed down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.